What's up, guys? Let's go for more than one planet today. So we're going to go ahead and throw this here, and we're going to do this one here where it's partially off there. So first we're going to hit it again with our black just to get relative shapes, and this is so you know how much color to put in, where to focus on, things like that. Pop that off, pop that off. I like that. We're going to go ahead and start with some pink here, and we're just going to kind of like halfway up. There will be a tiny mix point, but then we're going to still get an identification of those colors. So we're going to hit this kind of heavy. And with this being a darker palette, I'm going to go ahead and hit a little bit of white on top. I'm then going to take a bag. Not too heavy. You don't want to go way too crazy, because if you put too much pressure, you're going to take up too much color. So I like the way that's starting to look. I'm going to go ahead and hit the underside with a little bit, or the overside with a little bit of black, just for the shadow. And then underside we want some highlight like that. Cover that up. Then let's focus on our next planet over here. We're going to go ahead and hit it with some red. And then I like this spatial blue. Make sure you give it a good shake. Hit, 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 hit. Let's hit it with some black on top, just to get some contrast. Then my paper flew away, because I'm currently doing this in my garage. Go ahead and crumble this up, and then just lightly go around. Pull up some of that color. Let's take our other shape and put it right there. Alright, next we need to take some of our black, and we're just going to fill all the negative space. I'm going to do something a little fun. Hope you don't set the whole garage on fire. I don't feel like waiting for it to dry. So one thing you can do with this, don't do this unless you're comfortable. Let's add some misting in here. A little heavier through the middle, so that way we have something that fills the negative space. And then I'm going to take my white, flick some stars on here. I want to focus along this area. And then I'm going to do this, and I'm going to poop some stars off onto the distance. That way we get different leveling of stars. And then let's go ahead and do our reveal. Planet number 1. Planet number 2. And if you want to jimmy it up a little bit, you can add a little bit of highlight. Okay. I don't know, guys, what do you think? If you like this, go ahead and like and subscribe.